Hello bachcho, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's start the new chapter, the skeletal and muscular system, which you already have read. But I would like to tell you that what is the aim to learn this, right? I'm going to tell you that what you would have after reading this chapter. You would have the knowledge of skeletal system, you would have the knowledge of functions of the human skeleton as well as joints, and you would have the knowledge about the parts of the human skeleton. You would have the knowledge about cartilage and muscular system. So are you ready to start the chapter? Are you ready? Let's start. But before that, let's do one warm-up activity. Look at the pictures given below. Write their names in the blanks provided. Okay, some words are missed, you have to complete the words. Some characters are missed. Okay, so the human, by missing characters, you have to write the whole word. The human body is soft on the outside and hard on the inside. When we touch our hands, we feel our soft skin, but we also feel something hard inside. These hard parts are called bones. जब हम बाहर की स्किन पे हाथ लगाते हैं तो कैसे लगता है? बहुत सॉफ्ट लगता है ना. और जब अंदर हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा फील होता है कि अंदर कुछ हार्ड है, वो क्या होती हैं? बोन्स कहलाती हैं. देयर इज फ्लैश प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन द स्किन एंड द बोन. दोनों के बीच में फ्लैश यानी हमारी चमड़ी, हमारा मांस होता है. दीज आर कॉल्ड मसल्स. We have different oxygen system in our body. The bones in our body form the skeletal system and muscles form the muscular system. Skeletal system. Framework of bones in our body is called skeleton or skeletal system. It gives shape to the body and protects the internal organs such as heart, lungs and kidneys from getting injured. अगर हमारी बाहर की स्किन नहीं होगी तो डायरेक्ट अटैक उनको होगा और हम बच नहीं पाएंगे, right? It enables the movement of the body. So now you can see the whole picture, whole diagram of our body, right? The skeletal system. So I'm going to read about now bones. A newly born baby has more than 300 bones. As he or she grows older, some bones join together. जिससे क्या होता है? Skeletal system of an adult has 206 bones. The bones are of different shapes and sizes. The bones are smooth and hard on the outside. Inside each bone, there is a jelly-like substance called bone marrow. अब बोन हार्ड दिखाई देती है बाहर से, लेकिन अंदर एक जेली होती है उसके अंदर, जिसे बोन मैरो कहा जाता है. This marrow produces blood cells for the body. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus and certain vitamins are essential for both bones. Okay, so हमारी बॉडी के लिए ये मिनरल्स और कैल्शियम, फॉस्फोरस बहुत ज़रूरी है. बहुत सारे विटामिन्स चाहिए हमारी बोन्स को, अदरवाइज हमारी बोन्स वीक हो जाएंगी. पार्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन स्केलेटन. द ह्यूमन स्केलेटन हैज़ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. लेट्स स्टडी देम. स्कल. फर्स्ट वी विल रीड अबाउट स्कल. The human skull is hard and bony structure in our body that protects the brain. अब ये जो ह्यूमन स्कल है ना, ये बहुत हार्ड आपको दिखता है और इसमें बोन्स भी होती हैं. सो ये हमारे अंदर ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखता है. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 22 बोन्स विद 8 फ्लैट बोन्स joined together to cover the brain and to give shape to the head. The facial region contains 14 bones, among which only the lower jaw is movable. This part enables us to talk and eat. आपने देखा ये जो हमारा माउथ वाला पार्ट होता है, यही सिर्फ मूवमेंट वाला पार्ट होता है. आप क्यों इसके अंदर, जॉ के अंदर, हाँ जी 14 बोन्स, यस, ये फेशियल में 14 बोन्स होती है, जो हमारे यही लोअर जॉ इज मूवेबल होता है. हाँ जी, दिस पार्ट एनेबल्स अस टू, क्या हेल्प करता है? बोलने में और खाने में हेल्प करता है. राइट बच्चों. स्पाइन्स क्या है? द स्कल इज अटैच्ड टू द स्पाइन, राइट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बैकबोन. जो हम बोलते हैं आपको स्ट्रेट बैठना चाहिए, आपकी बैकबोन हाँ जी, हार्म होगा बैकबोन को, दैट इज कॉल्ड बैकबोन. The backbone is in man it is made up of 33 small bones, and we call them vertebrae, and these vertebrae from a strong column called the vertebral column. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord, and which is a large bundle of nerves that sends information from the brain to the rest of the body. So spine हमारी कितनी important है हमारे लिए, जिससे मैसेजेस ब्रेन तक पहुंचते हैं. सो लेट्स रीड अबाउट द रिब केज. द 12 पेयर्स ऑफ रिब्स इन आवर बॉडी form a rib cage. It protects the delicate organs like lungs, heart and the kidneys. The ribs are joined to the backbone and the breastbone. This formation is known as rib cage. If we breathe deeply, we can feel our ribs right in the front of the body. However, the lowest two pairs known as floating ribs, which are joined only to the backbone. Limbs. There are two pairs of limbs in man. Hands are called forelimbs and the legs are called hind limbs. The forelimbs or arms are joined to the spine through the shoulder girdles, and they stretch from the shoulder to the fingertips. They stretch to the shoulder to the fingertips. आप देख रहे हो जॉइंट कहाँ तक जा रहा है. It is the shoulder girdles that comprise a pair of shoulder blades and a pair of collarbones. Collarbones do you know? आप neck के नीचे देखिए आपकी collarbones. The hind limbs or the legs are large and strong to help in supporting the body weight. The femur in the hind limbs, also called the thigh bones, bears the weight of the whole body. जो थाई बोन्स होती है ये पूरे शरीर का भार सहन करती हैं बच्चों. द लॉन्गेस्ट बोन इन द बॉडी इज femur and thigh bone. Now we will talk about girdles, and there are two pairs of girdles present in our body, the pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. The pectoral forms a part of the shoulder where the forelimbs are attached. The pelvic girdle forms the hip where the hind limbs begin. Functions of human skeleton. Some functions I am going to tell you about. The skeletal system is made of strong, hard and stiff bones. The main functions of skeletal system are as given follows. The bones of skeleton form a body framework. Yes, skeleton ही हमारा body का एक shape framework बनाता है. They give shape and support to the body. Yes, and they help us to stand upright. They protect and delicate internal organs जो हमारा skeleton है. The bones are attached to muscles and help in the movement. अब bones muscles से attach होती है तो हमें help मिलती है movement के लिए. Okay, so now we will read about cartilage. Cartilage is an important structural component of the body, and it is firm tissue but is softer and much more flexible than bone. Cartilage is a connective tissue found in many areas of the body, including joints between bones, for example the elbows, knees and ankles, end of the ribs, between the vertebrae in the spine, ears and nose, bronchial tubes or airways. You can see in the picture of cartilage. Now let's talk about joints. A place where a bone is joined with another bone is called joint. Different bones in our body are connected to one another by different kinds of joints. Bones joined with one another are bound by thick cord or strong elastic tissue called ligaments. ठीक है, अब जो जॉइंट एक दूसरे से हड्डियाँ जुड़ी होती हैं है ना, उन्हें जॉइंट बोलते हैं बच्चों. जॉइंट ये जो हमारी लाइक बॉडी में जो कनेक्टेड हैं ईच अदर, लाइक बहुत सारी बोन्स आप जानते हो. अब बोन्स में जॉइंट्स जो हम एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं हमारी बोन्स बच्चों, उन्हीं को डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ जॉइंट्स हैं वो. बोन्स ज्वाइंट विद वन अदर बाउंड, ये जो इनका बाउंड है आपस में एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, वो एक थिक कोड से जुड़े हुए हैं जिसको बोला जाता है लिगामेंट्स। ठीक है, वो मतलब ये इलास्टिक की तरह होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग इलास्टिक की तरह होता है। टिश्यू आप कभी आप देखिएगा, आपकी जो लाइक बोन्स हैं उसमें अगर आप मूवमेंट भी करते हो तो ये जॉइंट जो है ये लिगामेंट्स एक टिश्यू है, इलास्टिक टिश्यू है, उसके थ्रू जुड़ी हुई हैं। ठीक है, आप कभी अपना स्ट्रक्चर देखिएगा, अपनी बोन्स, हम बोन्स को कैसे मोड़ पाते हैं, हमारी एल्बो, हमारी नी बोन्स, राइट। देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट्स प्रेजेंट इन आर स्केलेटन, मूवेबल एंड इमूवेबल। तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया बोन्स भी दो तरह की हैं, एक मूवेबल यानी हम लोग मूव कर सकते हैं और दूसरी मूव नहीं कर सकते। इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स कैन नॉट बी मूव्ड एंड एग्जाम्पल जॉइंट्स ऑफ स्कल हम मूवमेंट नहीं है उसमें कोई। जॉइंट्स बिटवीन रिब केज, यस, एंड ब्रेस्ट बोन, राइट। मूवेबल जॉइंट्स कौन से हैं? विच कैन बी मूव्ड, and there are different types of movable joints in the body. One is pivot joint. It is found in the neck. In humans, the pivot joint is found at the base of the skull and between the first two vertebrae of the backbone. It allows the skull to move from side to side and up down. We can move our head in all directions due to this joint. So bachcho, let's read about ball and socket joint now. In this type of joint, one end of a bone is round like a ball and this round end fits into another bone which is like a socket. आपने कभी सॉकेट देखा है? जो आप बिजली के लाइक स्विचेस उसका सॉकेट देखा है, आप पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हो, हिप जॉइंट में जो सॉकेट की तरह बना हुआ है, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉकेट जॉइंट, राइट। सो यू हैव रेड अबाउट socket joint and this joint allows movement in all directions. इससे हम लोग किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव कर सकते हैं। in this joint the rounded end of the bone fits into the socket or hollow of another bone and ball and socket joints are found in shoulders and hips. Note it down बच्चों, these are found in shoulders and hips. Okay, so let's read about. So now we will read about gliding joint. What kind of joints are these? जानते हो आप? This joint allows movement between the connected bones like the wrist. Okay, कलाई को आप मूव कर सकते हो, है ना? And ankle or the two vertebrae of the spine. It allows back to bend, twist and turns at each joint. इसको हम लोग बेंड भी कर सकते हैं, आपकी नीचे की बोन को आप बैक बोन को आप लाइक मूव कर सकते हो, आप क्या बेंड कर सकते हो, ट्विस्ट कर सकते हो, टर्न कर सकते हो टू ईच जॉइंट, राइट। एंड व्हाट अबाउट हिंज जॉइंट? इट अलाउज ओनली बैक एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट्स. सच जॉइंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द नी, elbows, fingers and toes. Please mark this line. Okay, because you have to do exercises based on this bachcho. Hinge joint is like the hinge in a door and it enables movement similar to the opening and closing of a hinge door. You can see in the picture. जैसे दरवाजे को हम खोलते और बंद करते हैं, likewise its movements are there. Activity time बच्चों. So you have to fill in the blanks in this activity. Whatever you have read in the chapter, आप उसके बेसिस पर, अपनी नॉलेज के बेसिस पर इनमें ब्लैंक्स में फिल करिए प्रॉपर वर्ड. ओके, सो मैं आपको मस्कुलर सिस्टम के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ अभी. आर यू रेडी टू रीड अबाउट? लेट्स स्टार्ट. मसल्स. Below our skin and above our bones lie soft tissues called muscles. There are about 650 muscles in the human body. Muscles are made of a bundle of fibers. A bundle of fibers. All the muscles together are called muscular system. right? Muscles can be regarded as motors of a human body because they provide all the force necessary to perform different types of movements, whether it is the locomotion of whole body or just motion of its parts. The muscles are attached to the bone by strong fibers are called tendons. So जो muscles हैं हमारी बॉडी का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है बच्चा. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल read about the types of muscles. Muscles are usually of 3 types. One is striped or skeletal muscles. These are attached to some part of the skeleton. They are known as voluntary muscles. Okay, and these muscles have stripes on them, just like stripes on the body of a tiger. बिल्कुल उसी तरह जैसे आपने टाइगर देखा है, उसकी बॉडी पे तो छोटी छोटी धारियाँ स्ट्राइप्स होती है, उसी तरह these muscles control nearly every action of a person intentionally performs. These muscles are present in our arm, legs, hands and feet. Now we will talk about smooth muscles. These are involuntary muscles, that is are not under our control. वो muscles control में थे, लेकिन ये muscles are not in our control. They work without our thinking about them. They are controlled by the brain and spinal cord. मैंने बताया था ना, 2 मैसेज पहुंचता है spinal cord से brain तक. So they are controlled by brain and spinal cord, and they are found on the walls of many organs such as the food pipe, stomach, intestine and blood vessels. These muscles contract to move substances each such as food through the organ. Okay, so आप इसको कैटेगरी रखेंगे जो वहाँ पे हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं है. Okay, cardiac muscles. Now these muscles are not attached to any bone, independent, ये किसी से अटैच नहीं है. Our heart is made up of cardiac muscles and is responsible for keeping the heart pumping. These muscles keep working 24 hours a day. कभी नहीं थकती. अगर ये थक गए तो हम थक जाएंगे. राइट बच्चों, ये 24 आवर्स काम करते हैं. राइट, सो थ्रू आउट लाइफ टाइम, जब तक हम जिंदा रहेंगे 24 घंटे काम करते रहते हैं ये. द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ and expansion of cardiac muscles counts 1 heartbeat. These muscles are very strong and hence do not get tired. इसी तरह आपको भी strong बनना है बच्चों. These muscles are also not under our control and work on their own. ये भी ऐसे ही muscles हैं जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, अपने आप अपना काम करते रहते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट है. Right? Do you know muscles are the most dense thing in our body? Also, muscles weigh more than fat. Typically, when people start to work out, they lose weight at the beginning, losing fat, but then start to gain weight, यानी muscle. Now, बच्चों, whatever you have read in this chapter, जितना भी आपने पढ़ा है, it's the time to recall that, revise that. So, be attentive, listen carefully. Revision time. Our body is made up of number of bones and muscles. In adults, there are 206 bones. Our skeletal system gives shape and support to the body, helps in movement and protects the delicate internal organs. The framework of bones that give shape and support to the body is known as skeleton. Humerus is the long bone in our upper arm and femur is the thigh bone. Skeletal system and muscular system work closely together. The shoulder joint and the hip joint are the examples of ball and socket joint. Hinge joints are present in the knees, elbows, fingers and toes. Pivot joints are found between the skull and the backbone. So, I hope आपने दोबारा recall किया होगा and you have understood very well. So now, fun time, exercise time बच्चों. Let's have a look on exercises. A part, you have to put tick mark for the correct answer. A newly born baby has more than 200 bones. Good job. Dash is made up of 22 bones with 8 flat joints joined together. Rib cage. Okay. Or backbone. Okay. Skull. Okay. Ball and socket joints are found in hips. Okay. And shoulders both. Good job. The muscles are attached to bones by strong fibers called cardiac. Okay. Then we are going to the next one. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart. Okay. So now we will proceed by the B exercise. Fill in the blanks. Framework the bones in our body is called skeleton. Good job. The human skull is made up of dash bones. 22. Good job. The longest bone in the body is longest bone. Tendons. Okay. Femur. Okay. Dash joint allows movement in all directions. Femur. Okay. The muscles are attached to the to bones by strong fibers are called ball and socket. Okay. Femur. Okay. State T for true and F for false against each statement. What you have to do, you have to take the first one. The skull is made up of 8 flat bones. Okay. Spine is also called backbone. Yes. There are 2 pairs of girdles present in our body. Yes. Immovable joints can be moved. No. Involuntary muscles are present in our arms, legs, hands and feet. Okay. Answer the following questions. What you have to do? You have to give these answers based on the knowledge of your chapter. जो भी आपने अभी तक read किया है. Everything is mentioned in your chapter. Just check it and give the answer like the, for example, आपने पहला question, what are the functions of the skeletal system? So जितने भी functions आपने पढ़े हैं, mention कीजिए उन्हें skeletal system के, and bone क्या है, joint क्या है, explain कीजिए pivot joint को, define कीजिए muscles को, and differentiate कीजिए all 3 types of muscles को. Okay? So now it's activity time. The picture is showing the joints in a human body, and write down the correct types of joints. If these are wrong, okay, you have to correct them. So now favorite time, homework time. There are many animals who do not have a backbone. Find out what they are called. How do they move and do the other activities? Fine. Have fun.